You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Honda Civic. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll fall in love with the Civic sedan, the practical compact that delivers smooth, responsive, powerful performance, advanced safety technology, refined looks, and industry-leading efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't settle. Get into the automotive icon that has earned its reputation for excellence over and over again. Drive the Honda Civic sedan.